Okay, today we're going to install a dust shield in front of the saw, so this way the dust don't fly around, and we like to direct the dust right here so we can collect it with a vacuum. So as you can see, the plastic must be formed like this so it will stay there after we put them in. To make a template, you can start with instead messing up with the plastic, we can start with a piece of paper about this big. Remove the saw blade. This is the bumper for the guard. See? The guard stops right here. We want to remove that and use it as an attachment point. Right here. We put the dust shield inside here, and you see the hole over here. If you just rub the hole with your hand, you have a mark over here. It's very easy to see where you're gonna make the hole, basically right here. One thing you have to remember is the saw guard to fully operate. So this is almost perfect here. I have to trim the bottom a little bit, okay? And the saw guard in the highest point, you see the saw guard here, it must be above the base. That means you don't want to touch the shield every time you're going to break it. So this is about right here. Okay, let's take this now. This is our template, and let's pass it to this clear piece of plastic. Right here, right here, right here, here, and that's the hole right here that we want to make right here. Of course, you can do it better than me, just take your time. About here. Now I want to double check. Okay, that everything works fine. I have to trim the top, trim the bottom a little bit. You start big and you go small here, so you don't want to make, oh, I'm sorry, I get it. Here. Okay, that's the hole right here. The saw base operates nice. Okay, the guard is not touching the plastic, so now I'm ready to go. Let's make the hole here. Okay, put this in. Put it back again, right here. Put the bumper back again. This plastic is very flexible, so I can actually work nice, very easy. Okay, and this is ready to go. Now for more security, we want to put some double-sided tape here. Right here, so we don't see it. You can put small screw, double-sided tape, anything. Form it all the way. Just make sure the housing is clean before you do that. Okay, then you have a perfect seal. The next step is to put the saw base back again. Release the guard. Okay, and the next step is to install the dust port, and that's our next video. It only takes a few minutes for all this work, but take your time, do it done one time right, and you're all done. Actually now you're gonna have the best dust collection because nothing can escape. See, how all the sawdust is gonna go inside here and come out from right here. Next video is to install the dust port over here for a vacuum. Let's do that. Thank you.